So DJI is known for ruling the skies, but today they're coming for your living room. This is the DJI Romo, the world's first robotic vacuum that kind of thinks it's a drone. We've seen a lot of companies try to enter the smart home space, but DJI isn't just slapping a logo on some generic vacuum. They packed this thing with 25,000 Pascal of suction, dual robotic arms, and the same obstacle sensing tech that's found in their high-end drones. Is this just a side quest for DJI? Or is this the new king for the clean? Let's find out.
MrBlack.
And welcome to the channel where I love to share with you gadgets, gear, and accessories that come my way. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, DJI did send the Romo to me and they're sponsoring this video so that I can take my time, set this thing up, play around with it, test out the features, and share how it works and my experiences with you guys. But first things first, just look at this thing. The Romo P features a fully transparent design on both the robot and the base station. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi lab. And because with most robot vacuums, you want to hide it in the corner because it's not really good looking. This you kind of want to put out in display. The build quality feels DJI level dense, refined, and premium. And this is where it gets crazy. DJI didn't just use standard LiDAR. They used dual fisheye vision sensors and 3 wide-angle solid-state LiDARs. This gives the Romo millimeter level precision. And in my testing, it avoided objects as thin as playing cards or a 2mm charging cable. A lot of those other vacuum cleaners out there will eat those cables for breakfast and get all tangled up. This one dances around them. Now, some of these standout features, it has that 25,000 Pascal suction. This is currently the highest suction power of any on the market. It doesn't just pick up dust, it feels like it's trying to lift the floorboards. This is also great for carpet and shag. This vacuum cleaner will just get right in there and suck up all of that dirt and dust and even like shards of glass if they're in there. It'll just collect all of that stuff. And with the dual extension robotic arms, most robots miss corners. The Romo has arms that literally reach out and grab dust from edges and around furniture legs. And with the anti-tangle dual brushes, if you have pets or long hair in the house, these twin high torque rollers are a lifesaver. So no tangles. Moving to the back, we have dual spinning mop pads, but the real magic happens back at the base station, or as DJI calls it, the spa for your robot vacuum cleaner. It doesn't just empty the dust, it pressure washes the mops with extreme hot water, then it dries them with hot air to prevent any smells. It uses UV disinfection and silver ion sterilization, which basically means it gives you about 200 days of maintenance-free operation. That's over half a year without having to touch any dirty mops or empty any dust bags. Now, if you've ever flown a DJI drone before, the app will be very familiar to you. It's really simple to send this thing out and map your whole house. I mean, and it maps it out like perfectly. It's such a cool way to like even see your house in this way. You can customize the different areas. That way you can send it to certain areas at a time. When it's mopping, it comes back to clean. It goes back, finishes the job. The battery lasts a long time, but if the battery does get low, it will come back to the base station and charge up and then keep going and finish the job. There's even a degrease mode specifically for kitchens and a boosted particulate mode if it detects things like cat litter, where it slows down the side brushes so it doesn't scatter the mess. Now, this is not some cheap robot vacuum that's gonna crap out on you in a year. This thing is built to last. It is a luxury item. If you want to have consistent clean floors that are mopped and dirt-free, this is something that you're going to want, and it's going to go out every day and clean the messes. You can even set different zones. Maybe if you've spent some time in the kitchen and there's stuff on the ground, you can just send it to the kitchen and it'll clean that mess right up. If you want the most advanced autonomous cleaning system, you will love the DJI ecosystem. The Romo P is a beast. I love that transparent design. It looks so cool. You can see it like all working, but it's officially brought the pro drone tech down to earth to clean it. And do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price at your currency, and I'll put the different models down there. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. It's fun to just check out this new innovative tech. I love to see companies branch out to other avenues, and this is just its own thing. I've never seen anything like it. But if you want to see some other DJI products we've looked at, I mean, we've looked at a ton of them on this one, but I'll throw some on the screen. You can click one of these videos like this drone over here, or this action camera, or the pocket camera right here. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.